welcome to my channel. My name is Disha and this is the channel of happiness and homemade. Well, today's recipe is going to very special and very healthy. Although this is the time where we all need to eat a healthy food. So let's start making it peach pie smoothie. Wow. So the dish is ready to eat and it's look very delicious, although it's also boost your immunity power. So must try this recipe at your home, and of course for watching more videos like this you do must subscribe my channel and do not forget to like and comment. Thank you.